Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about the Printer app, the 60-second phone loophole. Is it legit or another scam? So we are here in malware tips where it's reliable. So the overview for this is that it's going to be promoted in major social media platforms where the ad will feature testimonials about using the app for 60 seconds every day and you having a loophole as they would say. So the website typeprinter.com will host this, and basically how it works is it will give you outrageous claims by earning $500 a day or 1,000 a week, fabricated stories, false social proof, low entry barrier. So you will have like a one-time fee of $67 for you to get this. So this is just another scam. So the upsells and recurring fees are gonna get you. So they will offer you 67 for the initial and then 97 per month. So the cancellation is going to be really hard by design because that's their goal. So the zero value provided will actually show you in the process that it's a scam. So what you do if you have fallen victim, report it as fraudulent activity, cancel our memberships, initiate refunds, and leave feedback for others to see that it is a scam. So next time, be aware of upsells and these types of scams because they are very common in this today's age. So again, this printer app, the 60-second loophole for your phone is another scam.